Azure OpenAI in your data uses Azure Cognitive Search to enable the model to look up information from your data. There are a number of different methods of search that you can use. Here we'll take a look at how those methods affect your search results. First, I'm going to start with keyword search. I've loaded a search index with some Mercedes manuals. I'll set it to keyword mode. Now I'm going to make a search about how to activate the heated seats in a CLA 250. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Well, we are in keyword mode right now, and it's looking for these keywords like heated seats. The problem is that if we look at the actual manual, we find that the manual calls it not heated seats, but seat heating. So if we match those keywords exactly, we get the result we're looking for. Now we're going to try this again, but this time with semantic search. Semantic search applies what's called a re-ranker to determine more relevant search results. In semantic search mode, when I submit this query, how do I activate the heated seats? It's better at handling these variants of the words. And as a result, I do get the result that I'm looking for, even though it's not an exact keyword match. Now, the problem comes if I express the same concept, but with completely different words. Like, how do I warm the chair in a CLA 250? Now we're not getting quite what we're looking for. Lastly, we'll try this with vector search. And in this case, I'm actually going to turn on hybrid plus semantic. And that means that it's going to do all three. It will do keyword search, a semantic search, and a vector search. When I do it this way, vector search matches not just on words, but on concepts. And the concept of warming a chair is pretty close to the concept of heated seats. And so that will give me the result that I'm looking for. And you see here also that GPT actually uses my wording to phrase its response. But why did we turn on vector and hybrid search instead of just vector search? To see this, we'll turn on just vector search here, and we're going to ask a different question. The manual we've indexed is extensive, but it doesn't contain anything about how the engine cools down. So the concept search that vector represents fails. Over here, we'll turn on the hybrid and semantic search as we had earlier, and we'll ask the same question. Now we do get a result. And the reason is that although the concept of the engine itself cooling down is not covered in this manual, there are numerous mentions of the coolant system, the coolant level, and the word cool throughout the manual. With keyword and semantic search added to vector search, it makes it much more likely that we'll find enough information to give to GPT so that it can cobble together a coherent response as given here.